this really beautiful building here. We've got an elevator with an interesting vintage mod. It was a Reliance that got modded by Illinois Hopkins. Oh, you're getting your video now too?
Yeah.
Cool. Up to front. Rough start. This is a relay. This is still relay logic. It's not the original controller, but it is still an old relay controller. I love the old wooden cab. This was an interesting replacement, but I kind of like it. All right, down to one. Also, before I go, look at the font. Interesting font on the panel. All right, back down. Yeah, definitely old relay. 1,800 pounds. A little bit under the floor.
Oh, yeah.
That will be it for that one.